you, you do know what you want because you know what that feeling is. And you know those goals and dreams you have are steps along the way to achieving that, having an even better, richer life. And then because of that, you're going to get more confidence in yourself, competent in your skills. You're going to learn more, meet more people, communicate, connect, and create even more opportunities. So this life no longer is a journey, it's a series of adventures, step by step, following your mission to become that ultimate vision of yourself and your ultimate vision of life. So you are now living a great life. And because you're living a great life from a wonderful intention, spreading those wonderful feelings and doing those wonderful things, you're assisting everyone.